Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change text or font size on Canva mobile. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Canva mobile application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the design I have just created. And if we want to change the text or font size on Canva mobile, we need to select the text. For example, I'm going to change the size of this text. So I'm going to select the text like this. We can tap and hold on the text and drag it, and we can go to the font size. You can scroll all the way to the right and you can click on this option, and here you'll be able to make it larger or smaller. I'm just going to make it larger. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now the text or font size has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change text or font size on Canva mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!